Hey, this is Jason Ortiz, your farmer's insurance agent here in California. First off, I want to say thank you for trusting me with your home insurance. It means a lot that you've chosen me and my team to help protect something as important as your home. But if your auto insurance is still somewhere else, like one of those online discount companies, we need to talk. In this video, I want to explain why it's so important for homeowners like you to also bring over your auto insurance and why having it somewhere else could be putting your entire financial future at risk. Let's get right to it. A lot of people buy insurance online or go with the cheapest option they can find. No agent, no advice, no one checking if they're really protected. They end up with low liability limits, $30,000 or $60,000, because no one took the time to explain what that actually means. But if you're a homeowner, that setup can cost you everything. Let me show you exactly how this can play out in real life. Real life. Example. You're driving and cause a major accident. The person in the other vehicle gets injured and sues you. The court awards them $275,000 in damages, but your policy only covers $30,000. Now you're personally responsible for the remaining $245,000. And because you're a homeowner, you're exactly the kind of person the attorneys go after. Here's what happens in California. When you're underinsured, the court can garnish up to 25% of your wages. California Code of Civil Procedure, Section 706.050. They can place a lien on your home, locking up your equity. They can freeze your bank accounts. They can even subpoena your spouse or partner to find and claim shared assets. And that judgment? It can be renewed every 10 years with 10% annual interest. You could be paying for one accident for the next 10 to 20 years. Here's what I do differently for my clients. When you bring your auto insurance over to me, I don't just quote it and forget it. I offer a farmer's friendly review where I go through your current policy, your income, your assets, and your overall exposure, and help you figure out what coverage actually protects you and your family. For my homeowner clients, I recommend at least $100,000, $300,000, $100,000 in auto liability. And depending on your situation, we may look at adding an umbrella policy for even more protection. Why bundling matters. When your auto and home are with different companies, no one's looking at the big picture. But when you bundle your auto and home with me, you get a dedicated agent, you get real policy reviews, you get better discounts, and your coverage is coordinated. So if something happens, everything works together. Let's not be in the I should have moment. We've all had that thought. I should have done something. If only I had taken care of it sooner. Let's not let that happen to you. Let's protect everything you've worked for. And more importantly, let's protect the people you love. Final thoughts. You've already trusted me with your home. Let's bring your auto over and make sure you're protected from all sides, not just hoping your limits are enough. Give me a call or click the link to start your auto quote and schedule your farmer's friendly review. No pressure. Just smart protection. I'll talk to you soon.